Na makina for BE1 inline, for chip 1 inline, to for chip 1 inline 6 speed, for chip 1 inline 5 speed, to for HL na manual 5 speed. Malis na for BE1 inline, for BE1 inline for B1, for the 32 4x4, 6BG1 na -4 turbo type, 6BG1 ordinary, for GD1 turbo bagong dating, for the 30 old model, for the R5 old model, for the R5 modelo Bulldog, for the 32, for the 33, so for the 30 yung sa dulo, for the R5, for the R7 black cover, for BC2 yan, for BC2 na, for BC2 na yan dyan, for GE1 turbo Highlander, TD27 ordinary, C240, tapos for BE1 Eagle. Yan, sa mga boss, sa mga kailangan PM lang mga bossing, yung tayong Kia.